Hey everyone, happy holidays. It is Christmas Eve today, and I'm about to get ready to go pick up my stepdaughter and go to a Christmas thing for the kids, to do their Christmas. And I'm about to get ready, so I'm gonna do like a glam holiday look. This will be look 11 using the Rimmel London magnif'eyes. I've been using the Electric Violet edition and the Jewel Rocks edition. Today I'm going to be using from the Jewel Rocks edition, and also I am going to use my CoverGirl True Naked Nudes. It has been about a week since I've posted a makeup video creating the look, because as you know, we're doing 30 with the Rimmel London magnif'eyes eyeshadow palettes. And I just wanted to give you a quick update on the channel and kind of what I've been doing while I've been away. So we decided that I was going to create a new series on my channel, and it's going to be becoming an icon. So I'm going to be recreating iconic looks, and for the first iconic look, I am recreating a look that Lady Gaga wore to the Grammys, and I will put a photo in here. I chose this one first just because it really stood out to me, and I thought it would be a challenge, to complete. I'm doing these iconic looks with a $30 budget. And so basically we've been filming everything as far as going and finding the materials to recreate the looks, me putting in the craft time, doing the work, and we are going to put it all together into a video so you can see the whole time lapse of me doing this project and the look coming together, and then it being compared to the original iconic look. And so I just finished a piece for it, and I want to show you guys. This is the headpiece that she wore in the photo, and I've been working on it this past week. It is done, except I need to place like a sealant on top just to kind of keep that glitter intact. So from here, I'm going to be creating the outfit, but I can't wait for it all come together to all come together and show you guys. And I think that these videos are going to be really great, and I can't wait to share this with you all. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this holiday look for tonight's Christmas get together, and I hope you guys like it.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right